If you're broke in 2025 and not using AI tools to make money, you're missing out on the biggest opportunity of this decade. People are earning extra cash, even full-time income, just by using the right AI tools. So today, I'm going to show you the top 3 AI tools that can literally help you start earning from home, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's get straight into it. Number 1 is HeyGen. This tool lets you create professional videos without showing your face and without recording your voice. You can build entire YouTube channels, TikTok pages, and Instagram reels using AI narrators. People are using HeyGen to make faceless content, explainer videos, product reviews, and even business ads. If you don't like being on camera, this might be the easiest way to start making money online in 2025. Number 2 is ChatGPT, and yes, it's still one of the most powerful ways to make money. You can use it to write scripts, create content, offer services on Fiverr, build online businesses, or automate daily tasks. ChatGPT can write emails, blog posts, social media content, resumes, business plans, anything. People are offering simple ChatGPT-based services and making real income every single month. This tool is your best friend if you want to work smarter instead of harder. Number 3 is Canva AI. This tool is incredible because you can design thumbnails, social media posts, ads, logos, and entire presentations in minutes. Creators are using Canva to sell designs, make YouTube thumbnails, create TikTok templates, and run online stores. If you've ever wanted a simple, beginner-friendly way to earn money from design, Canva AI is the fastest way to start. Here's the truth: you don't need advanced skills anymore. These tools do the hard work for you. All you need is consistency, creative ideas, and the courage to start. AI has leveled the playing field. Beginners now have the same power as professionals. If you want more simple AI tools and step-by-step money-making tutorials, make sure to subscribe right now. I post new videos every single day to help you build a real online income using AI. Let's grow together. Your future starts today.